I just need some coffee in the morning.
Gusto mo bang mag-afternoon coffee? But the climate is too hot? Or gusto mong mag-afternoon coffee sa malamig na lugar? Wherein you can feel the cool breeze of fags, the harmony of the birds, and the ambience of the nature? And of course, ang makukulay at magagandang bulaklak? Yung tipong may malawak kang pananaw, malawak pa sa iyong utang, with a peace of mind? Well, today I got you covered because magkakape tayo sa Kapatagan, Davao del Sur, wherein afternoon coffee is okay. So just buckle your seatbelt and let's go! So tara, kape tayo sa See You Late Coffee Shop at Balutakay, Kapatagan, Davao del Sur. Kapatagan is only 20 minutes away from my home. That is why it's easier for me to jump in and sip a hot coffee. And papunta pa lang, mararamdaman mo na ang fags and malamig na hangin.